Remove the resin vat.
For accurate testing and proper leveling, we need to remove the resin vat from the printer. First, remove the resin vat screws completely. Next, carefully remove the resin vat from the printer.
Loosening the build plate. Screws.
Next, loosen the build plate screws using a 4mm Allen key. Now the build plate can move freely.
Z-axis. Moving down.
Place the leveling paper on the LCD screen, centered properly. As demonstrated in the video, select the Z-axis menu, then tap on 0 point. As you can see, the Z-axis starts moving down toward the leveling paper.
Fixing the Z-axis.
As shown in the video, tighten the screws diagonally using a 4mm Allen key.
Final leveling check.
As shown, select Leveling Test. The printer performs to slow up and down movements to confirm proper leveling. If everything is okay, this message will appear. Leveling check complete.
Installing the resin vat back.
As shown in the video, move the Z-axis upward. Now, remove the leveling paper. Now reinstall the resin vat and tighten the screws.